Absolutely. And with the demo that I'll be going through a little later, I think one thing you can focus your mind is to try to see if those things are operations that you do day in, day out. But with Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can actually expect assistance in automating complex tasks. Like I said earlier, like analyzing Excel spreadsheets. So you've got an Excel spreadsheet with a lot of dollars or a lot of data. How can you get insights from this? So a person would have to go in, create a graph or a pivot table, and try to come up with insights on the data. But Microsoft 365 Copilot would actually automate that for you. And if it's not deep enough, you can challenge that AI assistant to get you more. Another thing that you can think of is how can you prioritize important communications and schedule your response? Let's say you've been in a meeting with a client preparing for an hour or two. How many emails did you miss? Or you've been on vacation for a week and you come back and your mailbox is just exploding with new emails. How can you ask Copilot to target the important emails that need to be responded to right away, or summarize long email threads so you don't have to read through that whole thread? So that can also help. That would be that second bullet point, Neil. And to the third point, one thing that I want you to keep in mind, this is not magic. It is an AI tool, and consider it as an assistant. If you hire a personal assistant or a legal assistant, that person doesn't know everyone in your firm, doesn't know how you classify your documents or where those file cabinets are, which how you organize everything, doesn't know everyone, every room. So whenever you ask that person to help you with something, you will need to give them a lot of details. It will slow you down. Every time you hire a new person, it does slow you down, but you actually gain efficiency as this person gets trained and gets used to how you do things. So the same thing. The third way I would see Microsoft 365 Copilot being efficient for a law firm would be in drafting legal documents or suggesting content improvement or formatting options. But again, if you have a legal assistant, you will not trust everything they do. You will still have to review it and proofread or approve those documents. Visualize this as being the same thing, or making sure that things are done, or just starting from a draft. Remember the draft portion. It will never give you that final perfect document you're looking for, but it will get you started.